Abundance, freedom, and happiness are your birthright, and they're available to anyone who claims them. If that's not what you're experiencing right now, then something needs to change. But where do you start? Well, you start by getting really clear on the ultimate vision for your future. And then don't hold back. Dare to dream huge. After that, you need to make a plan and just get started. Don't allow the old excuses of I don't have enough time, money, or energy to get in your way. Just get out of your own way and do it. And if you're ready to create true wealth and freedom through an online business, then you can get access now to the free online training platform where you'll learn how to launch, build, and scale your online business for free. The Global Online Business Academy is designed to help people to reclaim their financial security and their financial sovereignty. You can get started today at building an online business that serves you and many, many others into the future by going to globalonlinebusinessacademy.com and registering your details. I look forward to seeing you in the community.